I was invited to the Origin factory to make my own pair of boots and didn't know what I was getting myself into, and quite frankly I think we take a lot of this stuff for granted and we don't really think about what goes into making a pair of boots or making a shirt or denim or whatever it may be.
Ryan should be showing up any minute here. So I told him a while back he could make a pair of boots. So he's gonna work with Henry today and they're gonna make some boots. I told him if you want a pair of boots, you're gonna have to get hands-on. So that's what we're doing. Good morning.
So it was actually really fascinating to see the machines move and the parts moving because you don't think about how elaborate those pieces of equipment are. I imagine if they weren't fine-tuned, that it would have been a whole lot harder and taken a whole lot longer if it wasn't dialed in the way it was. For me, watching the pair of boots being made I was proud that I got to be involved in the process, but then it also, it opened my eyes to see how much goes into manufacturing something. What's up, man? Glad to be here.
Welcome.
Yeah, looking forward to it today.
Follow me, sir.
Alrighty. Anyways.
Henry, you remember Ryan?
Ryan.
Henry.
Good to see you, Henry.
Same here.
Glad to be here. Looking forward to today.
Henry's
Great.
the man. He's gonna get set up.
So I hear.
He's gonna, you're gonna be able to pick out like your leather, your sole, your laces, all that stuff. Do as much hands-on as you want to.
Yeah.
When it comes down to some of the decorative stitching.
The cleaning,
you
making
want
it
to
look nice.
clean. Yeah. You know, Henry's probably gonna jump in.
Sounds
but,
great.
Man, you'll be able to cut everything, emboss. You'll be able to glue it up. Probably do some of the stitching, maybe even some of the lasting where you wrap around the shoe around the form.
Yeah.
Man, you'll be good to go.
Do it all.
All right?
All right.
I'll be in and
First
out.
pair of boots, man. I'm looking forward to
I'll be in
it.
and out, popping in on you periodically. We won't let you run this machine because I don't want you to lose a finger.
Right.
So,
I don't either, so that's fair.
That machine over there, somebody
That's
lost
fair.
2 fingers on just before we got the machine. That's why we bought it. So
Really?
Henry's going to run that one.
I'll take care of that.
You do that one.
Yeah.
You do the technical stuff.
Yeah, exactly. All right, man. Sounds good.
Okay.
All right.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Thanks.
All right.
All right.
You know what size you're gonna need?
9.5.
9.5. You're on. Okay. Leather.
I think this is what we're looking at here.
Okay.
Yep.
Great.
Oh, you got the
Pieces.
good stuff.
The good stuff.
Only the best. Only the best. That'll work there.
Absolutely. Ready?
So you want me to do it?
You want to try it?
Ooh, I don't know. Why don't I leave that part to you? I want to wear them when I'm done. So I'm going to leave the fucking details and the good looking part to him.
Lost my scissors. You want to try it?
Sure, I'll try it.
All right, cool. That's what gives it the shape of
that's
the
cool.
back of the boot.
Yeah, that's the heel right here, right?
Right.
Oh, that's cool. Good thing I didn't pick suede. Made a couple mistakes. A $300 pair of boots turned into a $1,000 pair. No, it's good. I even did a little stitching myself. Mine's the not as good looking of the two. I don't know which one, but I stitched some in there. So it's going good, man. You sure?
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's definitely Henry's.
I was telling Henry we take it for granted when you put a pair of shoes on,
Oh yeah.
or clothes or whatever.
Yeah.
And then you look at it, you're like, whoa, there's a lot more to this than I thought.
Nice. All right.
We're chugging along.
Go.
Every time we get to a new step, Henry says, this is the fun part. Every single step.
This reminds me of Alien.
Oh, totally.
This is the only thing they'd let him do.
Yeah, I made my own pair of boots. Well, technically, at least.